Yep, you know what day it is. It is Throwback Thursday. On Thursdays, I post videos that I have done previous. I've been doing YouTube videos, I think it's for 4 or 5 years now. So I am going to be bringing back some of my favorites on Thursdays. So I hope you stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I just picked this up at Dollar Tree. This is the most adorable placemat. I just love this one, and I wasn't gonna put it on my table. I wanted to craft with it, so I went through my stash of stuff that I had because I wanted to put it on something. And now my daughter bought this. I can't remember where she got it from. I think it was a thrift store. And she had it in the rummage sale, and I said, no, don't put that in the rummage sale. I can definitely find a way to use that. So I got this out and I tried, and this is gonna fit really nice, like just barely on this plaque here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to put this exactly where I want it, and then I am going to hot glue it right to this plaque. Okay, I think I have it right where I want it, and I'm just going to put glue on the edges here. I think this is pretty thick, so I don't think you're going to be able to see the glue or feel the glue underneath there. So hopefully I got this centered good. And I'm just gonna take it a little bit at a time and glue it down. Okay, so that's all on there. Then I am just gonna hot glue all these sides down. So I'm actually gonna, try to pull it tight and flop it over. So let's push this in. Yeah, why don't we do that? We'll just tuck the corners like that. I think that'll look really good. So stick this in here. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna kind of fold it over like that. And hot glue that end. Okay, I have that all glued around. It's not the best glue job in the world, but it's on. You're only going to see the front of it anyways. So I have these stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm just going to add a couple of them right onto here. I'm not even going to hot glue them because they'll stick right onto here. And they should not come off. I don't know if I want to use any of the bigger ones. I don't want to go too much. Yeah, I think that's just too much. And maybe I'll put one more on there. Oh. Maybe right about there. Maybe in here more. Maybe that's enough. Because I don't want it even with this one. Maybe if I move so my battery cut out when I was filming that, but I decided to move the snowflake up a little bit, and then I put that one in there and stuck that one up in the corner. Now I think the only other thing I'm going to do, because this is going to sit up like this, I don't think I'm going to put a hanger on it because it's kind of heavy. So I'm going to leave this like this, and I think I'm just going to put some branches with some pine cones on the top here. Okay, so I got these picks off Amazon. I'm going to try to remember to link it in the description where I got them from, but they were like 100 for $25 or something like that. And I am going to, I think, stick these two together and stick it on top somehow here. Maybe like right here. I think it'll just add a little bit more depth to the sign. Yeah, I like how they're like frosted on top, but then the bottom here, there's no frosting on there. I don't understand that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off here. Yeah, last year I got some from Dollar Tree and they were super nice, and I did not see those nice ones this year so far. So I think I'm gonna stick it like this on top. So I'm gonna try to measure about the middle here. Thinking some hot glue here, and then right about there should be good. Maybe over a little bit more. Yeah, got myself with that glue gun again. Oh, I swear. That glue gun is going to be the death of me. Alright, and then, let's see. That side has a little bit more frosting on it. Or snow, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, stick those two together. Yeah, I think that's going to look really nice. Alright, then I had 2 pine cones that I cut off from a different project. I don't know if they're kind of big, but I think I'm going to stick them in there anyways. And then I have these that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't know if that's going to be too much. Maybe if I stick those in the middle and the pine cones, I think that might look good. I don't know, I guess we'll give it a whirl. Alright, I'm going to cut this off. And then stick this in the middle here. And then I'm going to put a pine cone on each side. Maybe I'll just kind of turn it a little bit. I don't know. I swear. I never know what I'm doing. I just kind of go with the flow, and sometimes it works out really good, and sometimes it's like, what the heck was I thinking? But I think that's part of crafting. Alright, that's it. It is all finished, and this is just going to probably sit on top of my fireplace or somewhere just like this. But I think it turned out really cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. You can leave me a comment in the comment section. That would be great. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thank you. Bye.